Hi guys, Greener Man here. Just wanted to share this with you. I've got a modular helmet with a front that lifts up, and I wanted to put a GoPro on it. So, as you can see, at the front I've got the lifting switch for to unlock the front with the safety underneath. And obviously you can't have just a chin mount stuck on because there's no space for the standard chin mount. So everybody was raving about these chin mounts, and I thought, well, they look good, lots of good reviews, give it a go. So I bought one for a modular helmet, specifically for this helmet, which is a Nolan, and did all the rules, all the instructions. I heated it up with a hairdryer. Heated the helmet with a hairdryer, cleaned it all, heated it up with a hairdryer, put it on, held it on with a clamp for 24 hours, just a plastic spring clamp to keep it in place, and that was fine. And then when I came to use it, it felt like it was attached. When I came to use it, I put the GoPro on, put my helmet down for probably an hour, and this happened. And as you can see, the surface of the chin mount is actually like smooth and shiny. There's no roughness to it at all to adhere to the pads. So it's stuck to the helmet, okay, but it came off the pad, so that was already glued on when I got it. So the bit I did was good, but the bit that came from the factory wasn't good. When I bought the chin mount, I think it was 40 something euros, maybe, plus delivery, and it came from America, and I didn't realise, and of course I got stung for taxes when it arrived, so I paid those and got the parcel, fitted it. And then when I got to chin mount, I sent them loads of pictures of different sides of the helmet and all sorts of things, and eventually they said, okay, fair enough, we'll send you another set of these pads free of charge to mount it. So they arrived. I can't remember how long it took, but they did arrive. And when they did, the postman said, you got to pay taxes on these of 12 euros. I think it was just for two pads. So I refused, sent them back, and I bought my own 3M pads, which I'm going to fit. So I'll try it again. I might rough up the inside faces of these because they're just so smooth. I don't know if they're going to stick properly. Anyway, so there you go. That's my experience with chin mount. I know lots of people have good experiences, but that's my experience. As you can see, it's not a good one. Okay, cheers for watching. Bye for now.